Hi there, welcome back to Save with Crypto. My name is Save with Crypto. Looking at the price of Bitcoin here against USDT. This is actually the ByBit perpetual contract chart on TradingView. By the way, there is a TradingView offer at the moment for Valentine's Day, where it's got these really amazing offers on the annual plans. So, for example, the essential one, if you buy that with this offer, it works out at like £10 a month. I'm not sure what that is in dollars, but it's still pretty cheap probably. Even the plus one is only £17.96. The premium one comes out about £18 a month, and this is the one I've got. If you want to go mad and get the ultimate one, it works out about £48 a month. So I guess in dollars that would be about $24 a month, I guess, for the premium, and probably about 60 something for the ultimate. I think the premium's more than enough, really. I think most people can either survive on the premium or the essential. I've got premium because I like the watch list alerts, and also I need premium to publish Quadzilla, the indicator that we've got here on the channel. So this is all pretty cool. 5 days left. If you use my link, savewithcrypto.org/TV, you can still just sign up for the free one. But if you take up one of the annual plans, you get an extra $15 off. So that works out even cheaper if you do that. So please do take advantage of that. savewithcrypto.org/TV. Anyway, so going back to the price of Bitcoin. Right, so we had this great big sort of dump the other day, didn't we? When the price came down on this chart to below 60k, so 59.9k, so really quite a low price. I think it will come down again, down to there, but maybe not just yet. I'm just putting on our indicator, which is called Quadzilla. If you want to find out about this, go to savewithcrypto.org/QZ. And the interesting thing here on the 1 hour time frame is it puts in these retracement levels here. So it looks quite likely that the price is going to come down to this level here, which is around about 67,300. So I think that's very likely. However, at the moment, you can see here on this momentum oscillator that the convergence band here is coming actually quite low, and that red, let me just make it bigger, and the red, which is the fastest moving stochastic within that, has actually started to curve back upwards. Okay, now you can see that when it did that here, that wiggled around a bit and then went up quite a bit. So I'm actually thinking at the moment we might actually start to curve up a little bit before we dump down again. So I'm suspecting we might get something like this for a bit and then a dump, and then you see if we do that, that may well form some sort of double bottom like that, and then we go back up. Now if you want to pick out some lower levels here, it's probably better to go to a higher time frame, something like the daily. And you can see there was this level here at 62,398 that did actually get completed. This was a level that went back to October 2024, and sometimes even when the price has come down here and completed that pattern, sometimes this can act as support. So don't be surprised if we do get some support around about that 62.4k. Going lower, there are these levels down here, and these are at scary levels like 26.9 and 16.5. I think it's unlikely we'll get down there, but never say never in crypto. In the short term, as in today, let's just take a look at something like the 1 hour time frame, because what's happened here is as the price has come down since the end of January, it's left all these retracement levels here. So it's quite likely that these will get completed, which could possibly see us going up as far as 95k. I think that's unlikely just at the moment. I think we have to come lower first. Now, one problem I'm seeing here on the 1 hour time frame is these EMAs. This green one is a 55 EMA, the yellow one is a 21 EMA. Now when they cross over, it's normally a very bullish or bearish sign. So for example, when they crossed here on the 8th of February, the price went up very beautifully. But since then, they don't seem to really know what they want to do. They are currently bearish, which is why the price has come down. So for today, I'll be keeping my eye on the 1 hour time frame, looking at these EMAs, trying to get some sort of sense of which way the price is going to go. There is this level here that needs to complete as well, which is at 70,600. That looks quite likely. So maybe the price will come up there, and that will be like a double top there, which will then bring the price down, which will coincide with what I was saying a minute ago. So overall, I'm expecting a little bit of up and then a dump. Okay, so how to trade this? Well, I think for me, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be looking for shorts around this sort of level here. And then when we get a dump, I'm going to be thinking about sort of laddering into a position down here from like say 65k and lower. But I'm going to make sure that I can deal with any severe drops just in case we do come down to that 30k or even 20k sort of level. That sounds unlikely, but as I say, it's not impossible. Anyway, that's what I think. I'd love to know what you think, so let me know in the comments down below. There's not going to be a live stream today at 12. I am thinking, however, that what I might do is do a kind of unmanned live stream over on the other channel, which is SWC Trading. So I'll leave a link to this in the description down below. I mean, so far there's only 26 subscribers and there's only 5 videos, and 4 of those are live streams. So that's what my plan is for today. I'm not sure if I'm going to get around to doing it, but I think I will do that certainly at some point. In fact, if I haven't done it by midday, then I probably won't do it until later, because I always go out on Tuesday lunchtime. I'm never quite sure when I'm going to get back. But what my idea with that is I'm going to put the chart up and then maybe put some notes on the chart of where I think the price is going to go. Maybe how I'm trading it at that point in time, and then because I won't be able to speak on the actual stream until I get home later on today, what I'll do, I'll be fairly active in the comments, because I will be able to do that, although it won't be like full on, but yeah, I can certainly answer comments there. And then when I get home, which will be about, in the UK, it'll be about sort of 2 or 3 p.m. this afternoon, I'll be able to sort of join in and go there with the audio, and that will hopefully coincide with the New York Open. So yeah, I think that could be good. I think that's possible, but I will let you know. But the best thing to do is to go to this link, which I'll leave in the description down below. Subscribe, and then when I go live, you'll see what's happening. And it doesn't matter if you join like half an hour late or whatever, because it'll just be a chart. But obviously, I will be there in the comments, so please do make use of that. All right. So that's what I'm doing today. So yeah, as I say, let me know what you think in the comments down below. While you're down there, please give this video a great big fat like. Do make sure you are subscribed and you've got the notifications turned on, and do check that, because YouTube have a habit of unsubscribing people from channels every now and again. So just check that you are subscribed and you do have the notifications set to all, and then you should receive timely updates of our content. All right, so take care everyone, trade safe, see you later. Do check out SWC Trading and make sure you subscribe to that, and above all, tell your friends. Please note that this content is for educational and entertainment purposes only and is not financial advice. Any information or opinions provided are not guaranteed to be accurate or complete. Always conduct your own research before making any financial decisions. A full legal disclaimer is in the description of each video and live stream.